buy me YSL. I could get it by myself. These niggas, I could get it by myself. I could get it by.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is about to install a wig and finish doing my makeup before I go to bed because beauty sleep. So everything came in this little box here from MC Hair, and I've already taken everything out, but they did send me over some wig caps. Here's another one, and I already got one on. They sent an extra elastic band as well as a little brochure card. So the wig that I received from MC Hair is 18 inches. It is deep wave, virgin hair. The density is 150%. It's a 13x6 lace front wig, and the cap is a medium. Hope it fit my head because your girl's head is big, but you know, I think it should work. Actually, I forgot I need to wipe off my makeup along my hairline because, yeah, it might not stick that good. This is actually gonna be my first time installing the wig with the lace still on it. I've seen some people install it that way and then cut it off after it's placed. So I wanna try it out tonight. So right now I'm just doing my thin layer of this here. Got to be glued. So now I'm gonna take the wig and try to start, you know, placing it. And I also did go in with some foundation. So now I'm actually going to spray some more freeze spray on it and then kind of wrap it so that it can set. Get my scarf and tie them down. This is all a part of the melting process, and if this way of doing it works better, I'm about to start doing my hair this way all the time because I still have a lace on it. I haven't cut it off yet. I'll cut it off once I take this scarf off. Right now, I'm gonna let this marinate for a little bit because I need this to be live melted. You feel me? So I left this on here for a good 20 minutes. Let's get this off. Oh yeah, she locked down. So now I need to go ahead and cut this lace off. I don't know how much I like this technique. It's kind of hard to do for me. Because now I got to get over here and the hair's in the way. All right, so now I need to make some baby hairs and get my edges together. So the edges are all done. Ooh, I need to go fix the makeup. Look at that. 2 different tones. But anyways, I've done my edges all up and flaky. This is melted. This is melted. Get into it. So now we need to style it completely. And because this is curly hair, we're gonna throw some water in it, of course. And as you guys can see, I have a little streak here in the front. I bleached the hair just a little bit. I wish it would have came out a little bit bolder. I probably needed to do more hair, but I didn't have that much bleach, so I just did a little something. Yeah, that joint really ain't even bold like that. So about last night, your girl could not, in that video, the way my makeup was turning out, it was turning out a fool. It looked treacherous. So it is a brand new day. I went ahead and did my makeup, and this is the completed look of the hair as well. Y'all already know your girl don't really be using, or I don't really be doing the shorter length hair. This is 18 inches, but I actually really like it. So might start getting into some more of the shorter lengths. I'm usually always around the 22 inch, 24 inch. But yeah, this 18 inch is cute. As far as how I did my hair for bed, I just put it in like 2 twists. Had some water in it, twisted it, and then just took it down and fluffed it out. My lace is definitely melted, and I need to go back in and do my little bleach streak again because it's really not popping. You really can't even see it. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Definitely make sure you check out the description box below for all of the links to it and the details if you guys are feeling it like I'm feeling it too, and y'all looking for some cute bundles. I mean, not bundles, a cute wig. And I want to say thank you to MC Hair for sending me this hair. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.